Okay, we're going to play Amazing Grace, and this first time through, we're going to play it with the chords from Rise Up Singing, which are in the key of D. We're also just going to do a single strum per measure. Make it really simple. So starting on that D. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. Let's go ahead and do the version from Daily Ukulele. This one is in the key of C, and the strumming pattern I'm going to be using is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. This song counts in threes. Okay, let's start that on the C. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. If you're ready to start playing around with playing melodies on ukulele, you might look at the music for Amazing Grace in the Daily Ukulele and realize that most of the notes, or many of the notes, are too low for you to play on a high G ukulele because they go as low as low G. You could shift it all up a whole octave and still play it. So I'm going to go ahead and play through it with the as written in Daily Ukulele, and then also shift that up that octave to see how that sounds different. Okay, let's start out with that low G. Okay, we're going to play it again. We're going to shift it all up an octave. So instead of starting on this low G, we're going to start on your G here. Okay. Same notes, just everything shifted up an octave from what it's showing on the Amazing Grace sheet music and Daily Ukulele.